Hey guys, if you haven't seen the first part yet, I will link it down below and I suggest you watch it first before you continue with this video. Okay? Hey guys, and welcome to the part 2 of the material that you need for the interior design course. So I have two kinds of T-square with me, and I will show you the first one, the wooden type of T-square. This is lightweight, and this is how you assemble the T-square. The cost of this T-square in National Bookstore is 685 pesos. And wow, nagmahal na siya. Okay, a T-shaped ruler is used in mechanical drawing, consisting of a short crosspiece which slides along the edge of the drawing table. I recommend this type of T-square because I can clearly see my plates with this T-square. This is a 36 inches T-square that costs 930 pesos on National Bookstore. We're demonstrating how you use the T-square along the edge of the drawing table. Ensure that your T-square is surely secured on your drawing table. If you've seen the part 1 already, you know what material that I am holding along with the T-square and the drawing table. Make sure that your instruments are clean before using it so it won't affect your plate. By 36 na drafting table. I got this from Jolly's in Pino near UST. Put illustration board on my drawing table para smooth yung drawings ko and no crooked lines, or you can put cartolina. So I got this bag for my drawing table from Jolly's as well, worth 300 pesos. Yes, stay fashionable sis. Meron din siyang pockets for some of your materials, and what I like about this bag is kasya din yung T-square mo. Yes. And yung tube na lalagyan mo ng plates. So, these are the papers that we use in the interior design course. This is the hopya paper, the A3 bond paper, and the tracing paper. The tracing paper that we use is 20 by 30, then 8 sheets na siya. Then this is for 244 pesos in National Bookstore for 8 sheets of 20 by 30. I also buy these brand Gateway. 8 sheets din siya, 20 by 30. You guys, my DIY drafting table. It is made of two-phase white melamine finish and particle board. This is how I adjust it in 3 different heights. So, next material guys, measuring tape. Napaka-importante nito sa interior design course. And this is by the brand Max Tools. This is kind of pricey, around 600 siya. Pero yung nagustuhan ko sa kanya, lalo na kung mag-isa ka magsusukat, self-lock siya. Then, I almost forgot, syempre, ruler. Ruler is very important. Then, canson, water pad. But, bilhin nyo yun kung requirement pa lang ng prof nyo. Guys, practice yourselves na rin na hindi mapupunit yung paper kapag tatanggalin nyo yung tape sa table nyo. Kasi deduction yun sa board exam. Where can you buy these materials? From 3J's in Pinobal, the Jomar, Joey's, and Jolly's. If you're near Intramuros, meron sa Adams. Next is National Bookstore, of course. But, tipid tip, mag-canvas kayo kung saan may mga mura na art materials, and I recommend na syempre dun kayo bumili sa AJ's, Adams, kasi sa National Bookstore pricey talaga siya. Isa pa sa Diovir. Before buying these materials that I mentioned, please ask your profs first kung ano yung materials requirements nila bago kayo bumili. Tip ko sa inyo, lagi nyo susundin yung requirement ng prof nyo. So, let's move on to TIPID tips. Okay, TIPID tip number 1. Mag-canvas kayo sa iba't ibang art supply store. TIPID tip number 2 is, kung kaya nyo pang gamitin, wag na muna kayo bumili, okay? I suggest na from first year pa lang, mag-ipon na kayo for the thesis and for the future projects. Kasi, mas maganda yung may ipon kayo para may madudukot kayo pag nangailangan kayo during the project season. And this is road to adulting na rin naman. So, college pa lang, mag-practice na kayo mag-ipon. Yan ang di ka nasabi sa aking sarili. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo. On my next video, I'll be sharing my works from PSID before. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!